everyone. Now we are discussing about muscles of extensor compartment of front of leg. So basically we have tibialis anterior, this one is the tibia, and this one is the tibialis anterior muscle. This one is the tibialis anterior muscle. Now origin is upper 2/3 of lateral surface of tibia, upper 2/3 of lateral surface of tibia, adjacent part of interosseous membrane and distal part of lateral condyle of tibia. Now the insertion is medial surface of medial cuneiform, medial surface of medial cuneiform, and the adjoining middle surface of base of first metatarsal. Now supply is deep peroneal nerve, and the action is dorsiflexion of ankle, inversion of foot, and the maintain medial longitudinal arch of foot. Now second one is extensor hallucis longus. This one is extensor hallucis longus muscle. The origin is middle 2/4 on medial surface of shaft of fibula and the interosseous membrane. Now insertion is dorsal surface of distal phalanx of big toe, dorsal surface of distal phalanx of big toe. Now supply is deep peroneal nerve, and the action is extension of phalanges of big toe and dorsiflexion of foot. The third one is extensor digitorum longus. This one is extensor digitorum longus muscle. The origin is upper 1/4 of medial part of middle 2/4 of anterior surface of fibula. This one is fibular side, this one is tibial side. Middle and distal phalanges of lateral 4 toes. Insertion is middle and distal phalanges of lateral 4 toes of dorsum of foot. Now the nerve supply is deep peroneal nerve, and the action is dorsiflexion of foot, and the extension of metatarsophalangeal, proximal and distal interphalangeal joints of 4 toes. Fourth one is peroneus tertius. This one is peroneus tertius muscle. Regarded as fifth tendon of EDL. The origin is up lower 1/4 of anterior surface of fibula, and the insertion is dorsal surface middle part of base of fifth metatarsal. Deep peroneal nerve is the nerve supply, and the action is dorsiflexion of foot and the eversion of foot. Fifth one is extension digitorum brevis. This one is the extensor digitorum brevis muscle. Small muscle situated lateral to the dorsum of foot, arises basically anterior part of superior surface of calcaneum. This one is the superior surface of calcaneum, and the insertion is muscle divided into 4 tendons for 4 medial toes. These are the tendons of muscle, the 1, 2, 3 and the 4 one. And then nerve supplies is lateral terminal branch of deep peroneal nerve, and the action is extends metatarsophalangeal joint of big toe. And the anterior tibial artery, this one is the anterior tibial artery. Smaller terminal branch of popliteal artery begins lower border of popliatus, and the branches are muscular, anastomotic have basically 2. The 2 are supplies of knee and the ankle. This one is deep peroneal nerve. Now to anterior compartment of leg and dorsum of foot, terminal branch of common peroneal nerve. Root value is L4, L5, S1 and S2. Now this one is dorsal pedis artery after the crossing of superior extensor retinaculum. The anterior tibial artery converts into dorsalis pedis artery. Chief palpable artery of foot. Here we can see chief palpable artery of foot being front of angle between 2 malleolus. ये 2 malleolus के बीच से begin हो जाती है. And passes forward medial side of dorsum of foot to the reach proximal end of first metatarsal. This one is the first metatarsal, end of first metatarsal. The branches are lateral tarsal, medial tarsal, arcuate and the first dorsal metatarsals. Thank you.